Crazy ass. We're gonna cut across right here and go back that way. It gets too bad the further back you go this way. Oh yeah, look, that's clear water. When they got clear water on top of dirty water, then mud, it's deep. You can tell them big side-by-sides come through here though. Look at them tracks. Look at them tracks coming out of this hole, Mr. Bill. Yeah. No? That would have been interesting.
Yeah, there's that area where I had that. It's always like this. I had like a video called Peanut Butter.
Right.
They go, just get it. All I went.
And just stop. Yeah. That's damn.
Making it worse.
All right.
Good now?
Yeah.
All right.
Look how deep that is. Hey, when you're coming this way, go through that one.
Right?
Yeah, you gotta take a right. I'm gonna stand right here and film you. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
What the fuck is that? Hell no.
That's a goddamn pond. It don't look that deep. Go check it out. You can see the bottom. You can see the bottom.
Should I go?
I don't know if I would if you had taller snorkels.
I do.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can see the bottom. I'd go walk it if I was you. At least check it out.
You know which way's the way back to camp?
Yeah. You go.
Don't look down at me.
I'm sorry. You go through the trees right here and hang a left, and it takes you back to that bridge.
I got you.
And when you go across that bridge, it's a straight shot all the way
That's
back.
what I thought. Felicia and them are here, so I just know if now my wife will be here in a minute.
Well, we got to go back real quick because Carlos hadn't eaten anything yet, and he's getting his shakes.
Then I'll wait. I'll wait for it. He's walking it.
Hey, that's shallower. That goddamn knee deep, knee deep, knee deep. They got outlaws. Alvin. They're about to go in the pond. Hey.
Right there?
In that pond?
Probably a gator in there.
Might be.
Gator in there? Oh, yeah.
Go if you're gonna go.
You know what?
I got my pocket knife for what?
For the gator. You know what the frogs in that pond say, right?
What?
Knee deep. Knee deep.
Knee deep.
Knee deep. Knee deep.
I got a gator right here.
You got to beat it. You got to beat it.
Just.
You should go back and eat if you're hungry. You want to go back?
I'll eat later.
Carlos.
What?
I got you.
He wants you to go with him.
All right.
He cut across right here.
All right, I'll go with you.
It says it's crotch deep.
Let's go.
Alvin, you got rubber boots on? Walk this way. Oh.
Yeah, she can't walk in like a phone. How slippery is it? Whoa!
I don't know.
You suck. You could have done it.
Yeah, you could have done it.
You showed them. You showed them. Who's
I just got
boss?
my bike back.
You showed them who's boss.
She's learning how to antagonize from
You
Alvin.
showed them who's boss. They said it's crotch deep.
Hell, he's not fighting me, so I want to know.
Crotch deep is high. I mean,
Try that, see? Go that way. Yeah, that's not bad. Huh?
I went to that one. What about this one?
I don't know. Yeah, hit it. Do it.
wait, are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, I can see it. Hell no, I used to
Where? Over there? I don't think it did nothing. You're the one that burned it out. We didn't even walk it yet. I was good walking.
It was too deep, huh?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Where'd you go?
Where'd I go? I went about right here, right there. I stopped. Said, nope.
Oh. Oh, you walked it.
Yeah, I walked it for him.
Oh, okay.
No, I went back there and took a leak. I went through right there. Those ruts right there.
Yeah, I saw when you passed right there, but I saw the water and I was like, man, he had to go deeper than that.
Oh wow, yeah. Like 5'10"? That's how deep it got right there. See this way, which water line? He's been walking all the way there. I'm 8 foot tall. I'm 8 foot tall. Go for it, let's see how I do it. I get out of the water so I can go for it. Is it soft?
Huh?
It's a Honda. Just go through there. It's a Honda. Just flip it out.
Yeah, it's a Honda, man. It'll float right through.
It's got about a foot and a half.
Right. I know snorkels will float.
He's really gonna do it.
Bitch.
Look at that. You're
What
helping
happened?
out, being a good Samaritan.
It was a little deep.
It was deep. There you go. Easy, see? Easy. Grab the selfie stick.
Yeah, right. No, the selfie stick was just to get video of you.
Oh, she just stuck it out there to tease you. That's what it was. Oh, fuck.
Was I not recording the whole time?
Hopefully not.
Better with shot that on.
Got a little water in my windows, but it'll be all right. I feel like that's dangerous right there.
Yeah, a little bit.
This? Not having that snorkel right there where you can step on it. Oh, that's fine. What's dangerous is this. Yeah, too. Nah, but I keep my feet in.
I got my foot stuck in the front one. At Mud Creek. I mean, at Extreme.
I stopped
You was
up
with me?
there and then I started recording again when we went around.
I didn't even reach the bottom. I was sliding down. And I stopped. There was still more.
Hopefully somebody. What?
Good thing you stopped.
I think I might have turned quick enough to catch it. Hey, you're on settings right now.
No, I just turned it on.
You're on settings right now.
I don't know how to do
Fix it for us. See.